Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start with admin privileges because you must change system settings. Sign in now. Once signed in, open Settings, choose System, then Remote Desktop. You can also press Start and type Remote Desktop Settings to jump there. Make sure to pause any remote sessions first so you don't lock yourself out. Now locate the toggle labeled Enable Remote Desktop and prepare to switch it off. This first action prevents new RDP connections immediately while you perform follow-up steps. With the toggle off, confirm the dialog to apply the change. This disables the high-level feature. Next, press Win+R, type Services. MSC and press Enter, locate Remote Desktop Services, stop it, then set Startup Type to Manual or Disabled so it won't restart automatically. After that, open Windows Defender Firewall with Advanced Security and review inbound rules. Find and disable rules that allow RDP on TCP port 3389. These steps close both the feature and the network path into the machine. Once you've stopped services and adjusted firewall rules, restart the PC so all changes persist across reboots. After boot, verify RDP is disabled by running netstat-ono and confirming no process listens on 3389, or use an external scanner from a trusted network. If you unexpectedly lose access, don't panic, connect using the local console, remote KVM, or boot into safe mode to re-enable an admin account or revert settings. That single troubleshooting route usually restores control quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.